The Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garvey says, if you lack confidence, you're twice defeated in the race of life. But with confidence, you have won before you even started. See your blackness not just as a badge of shame, but a symbol of greatness. The Honorable Marcus Garvey was born 1887 in the humble parish of St. Anne's. He has instilled in the entire world of blackness how important it is for you to recognize your blackness, respect your blackness. Your blackness is a gift from the gods. When you bleach your skin, when you lack that self-esteem within yourself, then you destroy your whole persona as a god. Miss Jamaica Mahogany is the concept of Big Stone Records. Big Stone Records was thinking about how we can instill self-esteem in our women, how we can build back that greatness that our women once possessed, how we can change their mindset from bleaching their skins, from having low self-esteem about themselves. Recently there has been a lot of murders of our women. There's a lot of beheading of our women, and we want that to stop. So we're saying to all the brothers out there, start to love our women some more, respect our women some more. If you have a daughter, respect your daughter so she don't feel less than herself. She can walk tall and her self-esteem is as high as Blue Mountain Peak. Remember, the hands that rocks the cradle is the hands that rules the world. And that is the hand of a woman. Remember that. Look at the contestant, look at how they present themselves, and I want you to vote for who you think is going to be Miss Jamaica Mahogany